Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to create different types of objects inside our Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet and it contains some data. First we'll see how to create one PowerPoint object. So to create that, just click anywhere here, and currently we're in the home tab. Click on this insert tab and go to the text group. Click here and there is an object command. Click here and it will open this dialog box. So these are the object types which we can create. First we'll see how to create a PowerPoint object. So here we have Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Click here and don't select this displays icon because we don't want to display that as an icon, and just click on OK, and this PowerPoint object is created here. Okay, so you can see the layout has changed, all the tabs have changed, and this is here we can create our PPT. We can resize it like this. So here on click to a title, let me write my presentation. Let's format it little bit. Select all and make it bold and give some color. Let me give this color. Okay, and increase the size. Next we'll add some slides. So to add some slides, here we have this new slides options. Click here and just select this one, and this is a new slide. Let me give a title here like new slide. New slide 1, and here you can put your data. And let's add one more slide. Just select here new slide 2. So once we are done, we just need to click anywhere here outside and it will come back to the Excel sheet. This is my PPT object. We can change the position like this, and to open this just double click here and it will open the PPT. Let's move to the next slides. This is the slide 1, slide 2, then end of slide, and we'll come back to the same position. So this is how you can create new object inside your Excel sheet. Now let's see how to create a Word document object. So just click here and inside the insert tab, go to the text group and click on this object command and just select the Word document object. This is Microsoft Word document. Select this and click on OK. And yeah, we have created the Word document object. You can see the layout has changed and all the tabs also have changed. Now to add data, you can write your data here. Let me write my document and just format it a little bit. Just increase the size to this and give some color. Let's say this one. And below that you can put your data like this. Okay, so once we are done, we can just click outside anywhere here and it will come back to the Excel sheet. So this is my Word document object. So we have created two objects here in our Excel sheet. We can create other types of objects as well. We can check it here. So these are the object types which we can create. So once we are done, we can save this Excel sheet and let's close it. This is your Excel file, and if you open this, you can see your data and all the objects created inside this Excel sheet. So if you're going for a meeting or in a presentation, you can have all those objects inside our Excel sheet. So it's very nice and presentable. It's very easy and quick to present. That's all about how to create different types of objects inside your Excel sheet. I hope this video helps you, and thank you so much for watching. This is Kamal Kumar Patel signing off.